Right, today we're looking at the approximation of the root of an equation. And of course, we want to use the Newton-Raphson method. I guess we have had done an opportunity to do this assignment, so this is my expectation. What should have been done. So let's look at this equation. Given that xn is an approximation to the root of the equation, 3x cubed plus 4x minus 32 equals to 0. This is supposed to be equals to 0. Use the Newton-Raphson method to show that a better approximation is given by x n plus 1 equals to 6, x power 3n plus 32 over 9x squared n plus 4. So we know that fx is the same as 3x power 3 plus 4x minus 32. Therefore, fxn would be the same as 3xn power 3 plus 4xn minus 32. Now, from this equation, we know also that the first differential value of xn will be the same as 9x cubed n plus 4, isn't it? Yes, 9x squared n plus 4. We know that the Newton-Raphson method formula is given by xn plus 1 is the same as xn minus fx over fxn. Of course, this is xn, that is xn. So this is the same as xn minus, what is fxn? It is here. So you have 3xn plus 4xn minus 32 divided by the differential value was 9x squared n plus 4. 9x squared n plus 4. Now, how do we solve that? Let me say divide by 1 equals multiply here. So I have got 9x squared n plus 4 multiplied by xn minus 3xn. Please, this was 3xn, 3x cubed n. This negative and this is negative 4xn. This and this is plus, that's 2. The whole of that divided by 9x squared n plus 4. Okay, so you have this equation. This is the same as 9x power 3n plus 4xn minus 3x power 3n minus 4xn plus 32. The whole of that divided by 9x squared n plus 4. These and these cancels. 9 and 3 is 6. So you have 9, not really 9. You have 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 x power 3n plus 32 divided by 9x squared n plus 4 as required. Okay, so that's how we get the first part of the equation. Now, by taking x naught as 1.5, by taking x naught equals to 1.5, we can determine the root. Determine the root correct to 4 decimal places. So now we want to start substituting. We know that x naught equals to 1.5, isn't it? So what about x1? You replace where we have x naught. So in other words, we are saying that this will be the same as 6x power 3. Our naught is naught plus 32 over 9x naught plus 4. But remember, this x naught is what? Is 1.5. So this is the same as 6 into 1.5 power 3 plus 32 divided by 9 into 1.5 squared plus 4. Just a minute, this was squared, so this is also squared. Now you have it there, and this should be the same as 1.5 just a minute. So we have 1.5 power 3 times 6 plus 32. You get 52.25 divided by 1.5 squared is 52.25 times 9 plus 4, you get 24.25. So if you have 52.25 divided by 24.25, you get 2.1546. So our x2 will be the same as 6 into brackets 2.1546 over 3 plus 32. You want to divide it by what? The original equation 9 into 2.1546 squared plus 4. Now again, this will be the same as is this let me calculate this. So we now get that this should be the same as 92.0138 over 45.7807, which is approximately that. Now we get the second x3 will be the same as 6. You put that value there, power 3 plus 32 divided by 9 into 2.0098 squared plus 4. This is the same as what? This is the same as now can we, so we get the value that will be 80.7090 over 40.3537, and the approximate value there is 2.00039. Now that means that our x4 will be approximately 2. So you have got 6 into 2.0000 power 3 plus 32 over 9 into 2.00 raised to 2 plus 4. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 32 over 4 times 9 is 36 plus 4. So that is 8 divided by 40. And this is now coming to 0. Now, what we are simply saying here is that the approximate root of x power 3 plus 4x minus 32 equals to 0 is 2. That's what we are simply saying. Yeah. Yes. I hope that makes some sense. I hope that makes some sense. Of course, with constant practice, these things are doable, practicable, and manageable. Right? Thank you.